Alright guys, so in this video I'm going to explain you exactly how to use the brand analytics. So brand analytics is a tool given only for Amazon brand registered seller. अगर आप brand registered seller नहीं हो तो ये आपके लिए tool का काम इसका कुछ भी नहीं होगा. So basically this tool is used by Amazon brand registered seller and it is only going to be given to brand registered seller for keyword research. So now just see over here, right? This tab under brands is called brand analytics. Just click over here. All right, and when you click over here you're going to get this dashboard, which is very critical. All right, so just let me show you this part. Right now this is very important. So now let's say if I want to know which is the most popular, let's say if I'm selling a water bottle and I want a lot of more keywords, how would I find water bottle or more keywords? So I have to go over here and type in the chat, like type in this over here, water bottle. All right, and when you write the word water bottle, can you see we have got 734 keywords. Guys, 734 keywords is insane. This list is coming from Amazon's recommended search terms. So let me explain you first what exactly each one of them means. So what are these columns? So Amazon is saying when somebody types a word, कोई भी जब type करता है water bottle word, they are showing you the best 3 ASINs that are getting clicked. All right, so if somebody types the word water bottle, Cello, this ASIN which is B018JA, this particular ASIN is getting 7.57% clicks. So let's say if there are 100 people typing the word water bottle, out of that seven people are actually clicking on this listing, and then the second highest is clicked on this, which is Cello Venice bottle, and the third highest is Amol water bottle. Now if you understand and you do it correctly, I'll tell you what does it mean. So let's say अगर ये list, अगर कोई 100 लोग water bottle type कर रहे हैं per week और per month, उसमें से let me just add it, 5.5% ये जो हो गया 6.71 plus 7.5 ऑलमोस्ट 20%. ये जो मार्केट में जब कोई टाइप करता है वर्ड वाटर बॉटल, ऑलमोस्ट 20% मार्केट शेयर सिर्फ ये 3 एसिन ले रहे हैं. ये 3 एसिन का क्लिक 20% मार्केट शेयर है, और बाकी का जो बचता है 80% दैट गोज टू अदर एसिन्स. So now the highest traffic is coming on this listing and this listing. So now you have to understand what is happening. So let's say out of 7% people who are actually clicking on this listing, so example अगर 100 लोग सर्च कर रहे हैं, उसमें से 7% लोग ये लिस्टिंग क्लिक कर रहे हैं. उस 7% में से, so example 100, then 7 people, out of 7 people only 9.25% people are actually buying this प्रोडक्ट. गाइस, दिस इज अ ह्यूज इंफॉर्मेशन. कन्वर्जन मतलब कितने लोग जो क्लिक कर रहे हैं वो बाय कर रहे हैं. नाउ यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड ओवर हियर, यहाँ पे 6.7 लोग क्लिक कर रहे हैं, लेकिन 11 ऑलमोस्ट 12% लोग बाय कर रहे हैं, विच इज ह्यूज गाइस. सो सेल हमेशा इधर, क्लिक्स मतलब इट जस्ट मींस क्लिक, राइट? क्लिक मतलब ये नहीं होता कि सेल हो गई. क्लिक मतलब खाली उनकी लिस्टिंग पे इतना ट्रैफिक आ रहा है, बट कन्वर्जन इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, 12% गाइस, विच इज अमेजिंग. And third is C, very poor conversion, only 4.78. So now how can you use this data? That is very important. There are 2 types of things that you can use this data. Let's say अगर मुझे कोई keyword पे rank करना है, let's say अगर if I want to rank on the word let's say beds, or let's say pet, let's say football, which I like the best, football, right? Football. All right. I think I miss football. See, अगर मुझे ये कीवर्ड पे रैंक करना है फुटबॉल, मुझे सबसे ज्यादा फोकस करना है फर्स्ट ये 3 एसेंस पे, जहाँ पे मुझे एसेंट टारगेटिंग करनी है. आई हैव टू पुट माय एड्स इन फ्रंट ऑफ दीज 3 एसेंस. सो मुझे ये एसेंट नंबर 1, ये क्योंकि इसमें हाईएस्ट क्लिक्स आ रहे हैं, तो अगर मैं मेरी एड उसके नीचे लगा दूंगा तो मुझे हाईएस्ट ट्रैफिक मिलेगा, राइट? बिकॉज मुझे सभी के साथ नहीं करना है, मुझे सिर्फ 2 या 3 एसेंस को पकड़ना है, तो टॉप 3 एसेंस है उनको ही कंपीट करना है मुझे, राइट? उसके जब लिस्टिंग पे आ जाऊंगा तो मुझे ऑलमोस्ट 26% का ट्रैफिक ऑलरेडी मिल जाएगा. सो दिस इज नंबर 1, right? So I will target this ASIN, I will target this ASIN, and I will target this ASIN, which is amazing, guys. So you can target all the 3 ASINs for the number 1 keyword that you want. So example, I'll just show you. Let's say, agar if I target this ASIN, where is my ad going to appear? Okay, so let me show you where my ad is going to appear. Okay, so yep, if you see, my ad is actually going to appear over here. See, my ad is going to appear somewhere over here. यहाँ पर ad आएगी. If I target this people, so let's say मैंने ये click कर दिया, for example, right? So my ad is actually going to come over here, somewhere over here, or somewhere over here, right? And or my ad is going to come over here. So when you do ASIN targeting, like when you're targeting your competitors directly, it will come somewhere over here. Now imagine everyone is, जितने लोग मेहनत कर रहे हैं सब चीजों में, डायरेक्टली आप उसके नीचे आके आप पूरा उनका सेल्स स्टील कर सकते हो, जैसे ये कर रहे हैं. So this is like how to find very relevant people to actually target your product. Now imagine अगर आप एक कोई कीवर्ड बेच रहे हो, let's say if you are selling a water, not a water bottle, let's say I don't know, yaar. Let's say like a toaster, okay, toaster. So if you want to find which all keywords that you need to target, you can do the same with this. Click on the word toaster, just write your main keyword, weekly data, and click apply. When you click apply, you will find 140 search terms, the keywords that we can use when it comes to doing a keyword targeting for any of the products. So like toaster, sandwich toaster, bread toaster, all guys, I mean I can't, मैं आपको बता भी नहीं सकता, this is so much of a rich data, guys. I mean if you have the access, I would directly go and start 2 types of ads. One is ASIN targeting and one is also called as keyword targeting. So both of the things you can do it, and I will show you exactly now how to create a campaign using the ASIN targeting and the keyword targeting strategy. Alright, so now I will show you exactly कि कैसे आप ये चीज कर सकते हो, कैसे आप ASIN targeting ads बना सकते हो using the brand analytics feature. So click on create campaign, आपको ये क्लिक करना है create campaign, और आप देखोगे अभी कैंपेन चालू हो जाएगा. क्लिक ऑन स्पॉन्सर्ड प्रोडक्ट्स, राइट? अभी लेट्स से इफ आई वांट टू स्टार्ट द कीवर्ड टारगेटिंग व्हिच इज कॉल्ड टोस्टर, मैं यहाँ पर डाउनलोड कर दूंगा CSV फाइल. ऑलराइट, अभी डाउनलोड हो जाएगी 2 मिनट्स में. So just wait for the download. So when you download this Excel sheet, this is going to come. This is how it is going to look, right? Now you go into your Excel sheet. आपको ये Excel sheet में आना है, इसको पूरा कॉपी पेस्ट करना है. अब पहले इसको कॉपी पेस्ट करने के पहले आपको एक एक कीवर्ड चेक करना है. सो आपको एक एक कीवर्ड, ये जो सर्च टर्म दिखा है, इसको चेक करना है कि ये कीवर्ड आपके लिए रेलेवेंट है कि नहीं. अगर ये कीवर्ड रेलेवेंट नहीं है तो आप इसको बिड मत करो, और अगर ये कीवर्ड रेलेवेंट है, मतलब अगर मैं टोस्टर बेच रहा हूँ, ओके, तो टोस्टर कीवर्ड इज नॉट रेलेवेंट. अगर मेरा टोस्टर सैंडविच के लिए है, sandwich toaster is a relevant keyword. Bread toaster is relevant keyword because grill toaster, right? ये एकदम specific है. So वैसा आपको देखना है. You have to check which is the relevant keyword for your product and only choose that. For example, if I'm selling a non-electric toaster, like, so I'll remove this electric toaster because I'm selling a non-electric. So I'll remove this. This is how you will just remove what is not required. For example, this, I'm not selling a Philips toaster, so I'll remove that. Not even Bajaj toaster, so I'll remove that. So let's say if I use all this, which is 136 keywords, I will go to my Amazon, create a campaign. Like you have to click on create a campaign, and this is going to open. Just write the word brand analytics, so you know that you are doing it from brand analytics, right? Brand, just write the word VA, right? VA and keyword, right? Keyword and KW, that's it. And put your date today, whatever is your date, and put manual targeting. Click on 100 rupees as budget. Yes, 100 rupees is something that you can start. Dynamic based down only. Campaign name you can just put this way. Select your SKU and click on keyword targeting. Click enter list, and here you can start with only phrase match. Don't start with everything, just start with phrase match. Enter the paste the entire list over here, all right, and then click on here you can just put then you can just click on add keyword. Boom, right? And here if this comes like this, just write 5 rupees and click on add keyword. Do you see we have added 135 keywords, guys? This is amazing, right? And then what if we do is the final step, click on launch campaign, and boom, you have created an amazing ad with all the rich keywords from Amazon's dashboard itself. Now the second thing what we can do is called ASIN targeting. All right, so let's say you do the same thing that we have done. Instead of keyword over here, you're going to click on product targeting. Now over here, if I go back, okay, and I click on individual product, all right, I click on search, I click on enter list. Okay, now let's say if I want to rank for the word toaster, all right, toaster. So toaster, I will go and click, so example like this, all right, toaster contains toaster. So I will go and okay, so first I will just click all the ASIN over here, right? So I will go to toaster, copy this, paste over here, all right, go again over here, and then again paste this, all right, paste this, again go over here and again paste this. So and then I click on target. Can you check? I'm actually targeting those kind of products which are coming on the top 3 positions for the keywords which I want to rank for. So if you're targeting those people who want to, if you're targeting a keyword where you want to come on page number 1, you can directly go and target those ASINs which are already doing very well in terms of the clicks and conversion, and directly target them. I hope guys this brings you a lot of sales, and if you are interested to learn some ninja strategies just like this or even more, then you can join my 5-day workshop. The link is there below. And if you are learning, if you want to learn how to sell on Amazon as a beginner, then there is a program. We do a 3-day workshop for product research and how to sell on Amazon. So you can click on that as well. And if your sales are more than 20 lakhs and you want us to manage Amazon advertising, there is a Google form that you have to fill in. Once you fill in, our team is going to contact you, and we are going to do a free audit for you and let you know if we can actually help you to reduce your ACOS and increase your sales. Alright guys, thanks a lot, and I hope this has brought some value to you guys. Alright guys, see you again. Bye bye.